Now, next is the example that how we can apply the chromatography technique. The black ink, which is a mixture of several colored substances or the dyes, can be separated by the paper chromatography. The black ink, we know it is dissolved in the water. Now, black ink contains the purple, blue, green, all the component. Now, we can separate these all the components. What we will do, we will take a thin long strip of filter paper as shown in the figure number 1. Draw the pencil line on it about 3 cm from the one end. Now put a small drop of the black ink on the filter paper at the center of the pencil line and let the ink to dry. It means we will now allow the ink so that it can dry properly. Clear? Next, when the drop of the ink has dried, then the filter paper strip is lowered into a tall glass jar containing the water as shown in the figure number 2. The filter paper strip is held vertically by attaching the upper end with a cello tape. To hold the filter paper vertically, we can put the tape on the above side so that it can held properly. Now the water gradually rises up the filter paper by the capillary action. What is capillary action? You have discussed in a bio that how the water minerals are transported from the roots to the leaves by the capillary action. And the same way the water will rises up. As the water move up the paper strip, it will take the dyes present in the ink. So dye which is more soluble in the water dissolve the first, rises faster and produces a colored spot on the paper at a higher position. It means the purple that is shown in the figure number 3rd, purple is in the higher one, then the blue component, then the green component. The less soluble dye dissolve a little later, rise lower and form the colored spot at the lower height. So when the water reaches near the top end of the filter paper, the strip is removed from the jar and dried, and that strip is known as chromatogram. That strip is known as chromatogram, that is shown in the figure number 4. Clear that how the chromatography technique is applied.